Hi guys, I'm Courtney and today I'm going to show you my 3 fruity must-haves for glowing skin. So fruit is actually really incredible for your skin. It helps infuse it with antioxidants, which help protect your skin against free radical damage, and it's typically higher in vitamins and nutrients, which help your skin get to its healthiest place. Every routine starts with a good, proper cleanse. The Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser is powered by antioxidant Holy Grail Blueberry, and it's packed with hyaluronic acid, seaweed extract, and other nourishing ingredients you won't typically find in a cleanser. This cleanser has the power of a double cleanse but in one product, and having a clean base helps the rest of your skincare products penetrate your skin better. Make sure you cleanse for a full minute to get all of the benefits of this cleanser. So if your skin is feeling oily or if it's the middle of summer and you need a lightweight moisturizer, the Pink Juice Moisturizer is incredible. When my skin is feeling a bit more dry like it tends to, I actually like to use this as a hydrating serum, and then I follow with a thicker moisturizer, which really changed the game for me. It's packed with antioxidant and amino acid rich watermelon extract and soothing botanicals. I just use 2 pumps and pat it into my skin, and then I put a little extra on my cheekbones to give me a skincare highlight. And overnight, I use the Watermelon Glow Mask, which is pretty much my lazy girl secret weapon. It hydrates and it exfoliates while working with your body's natural repair cycle overnight. When I wash it off in the morning, my skin looks really glowy and it looks almost poreless. You can also use it as a 10-minute wash-off mask in the morning. Thanks for watching. If you want to try the products I mentioned, Glow Recipe just released their Let It Glow set, which comes with a travel-sized blueberry cleanser and pink juice moisturizer and a full-sized watermelon mask. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!